Hi, this is George. This is going to be day 8 of my 100-day art challenge. There are 12 categories that I will be choosing from, and to choose, I'm going to be using a 12-sided die. So let's get going. 12. So it's open, and I think what I'm going to do is what I call tiny houses. Okay, so first I'm going to lay out the doodle with my Statler pigment liners, and to color in, I'm going to use my Durand Inktense ink pencils. I'm going to be using my Escher sketch pad. It's supposed to be hot pressed, but it's really very smooth, or not cold pressed, but it reminds me more of a smooth than a cold press. So, and it's going to take, this is probably going to be a two-parter. I'll do the illustration for the tiny house. Get a framework, no pun intended, for the tiny houses. So let's see. I want to have the edges rounded out a little bit. I get this idea from there are a fad of painting Victorian houses in various colors, and the term was painted ladies. So you can check it out in the Google for what I mean. So I want to kind of have a lopsided kind of a chimney there. Some steps, a door, a window, another window, and okay, and let's see, another window here. And some shrubbery. And a little bit of a tree. Okay. And a bird. A curtain. Sorry, my lines are all wonky, but it's okay. Okay, that part is done, and we're going to go in and ink it. What I'm doing is I'm using my 1.0, and I drew around the edges of the house and bird and trees, and I will use a different thickness inside. Okay. So let's go with the 0.7. A little smaller nib. And remember to have a loose grip on your pen. And I'm going to draw in the border. Again, using the number 1. So if you're liking this video and you want to hit the like button, that would be great, because YouTube will send it out to more people. Okay, I'm adding something. Okay. Again, going in with the 0.7. Adding in some cloud, because why not? So, and this go in with my eraser. Not yet. So, ink in the steps. Okay, now we can do the eraser. Remember to let their pencil, your pen marks dry before you go in with the eraser. That way it doesn't smear. Although the Statler pens dry rather quickly, except there and there, but we'll fix it. Okay. So this is my version of Wonky House, and I will be back for the painting part.